How to use Zurich Disability Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zurich Disability Insurance in Ireland is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Zurich policies may cover only your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition could leave you with limited benefits if your disability only affects your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. The waiting period is the time before benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Aligning this with your savings and expenses is critical. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but could leave you underprotected if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. Zurich offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can reduce flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. Zurich requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Zurich Disability Insurance Ireland can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.